Hello guys, repair tayo guys ng diving flashlight guys. Wala guys, walang ilaw guys. Guys, full charge to guys, full charge. Pero ito lang matanggal guys. Pag ito tinanggal guys, ito lang guys ang gamitin guys. Guys oh, ganyan guys oh. Sa switch guys, gamit na kayo guys, sakto lang guys. Push nyo lang ito guys oh. Guys, gamit namin ng flat guys. Yung sakto lang sa ano guys, may ano kasi yan guys, para may groove. Yan guys oh, yan oh. Yan, ikutin lang guys, dandahan lang guys, may spring kasi guys. Yan guys, na guys. Yan guys, may spring dito sa loob guys. Ito guys oh, mawit ang ng pasikot guys. Guys, test natin guys. Test natin sa battery guys, direct natin guys. Hindi guys, dami guys, hindi guys. Guys, wala talaga guys. Wala guys, wala. Guys, wala guys. Guys, hindi guys. Palitan na guys, ng guys, ang bolt. Watching guys, guys. Watching na guys. Watching basket guys. Ito guys oh. Guys, ang butas guys oh. Sundot na guys. Guys. Ang butas guys oh. Sundot na guys. May tayo guys ng DIY test light guys. Ito guys oh, ginawa guys. Okay, check natin guys. Yan. Saksak lang ito guys sa charger guys. Ito guys oh. Guys. Wala guys, hindi guys. Yung ilaw niya guys, kung ano kalakas yung isa ka battery. Yung isa ka, ito guys oh. Tapos muna natin guys. Ito guys, yung magnet guys. Isa lang battery guys ha. Yan guys, malakas guys. Kaya madaling mapunta. Lagay natin dito guys. Tapos dalawahin natin battery para hindi masunog guys. May ano tayo, may para may ano, may suporta sa ilaw. Yan guys oh. Testing natin guys. 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 Guys.